Hello, doggy. Breakfast time. So I'm now back from Nashville. Well, I got back like 3 weeks ago, but I had to hard reset myself. It's a tough convention. I was tired. But the Magic Wheelchair went off to a great success. Everybody's happy. Everybody was pleased with the results. And had a lot of meetings afterwards discussing how great it was. 36 new teams have decided to sign up to be build teams. That's cool. Let's just jump into a montage of everything. Montage!
4, 3, 2, 1.
What do you think? Speechless.
And then do this one.
So it was all a great success, as you can see. A lot of it couldn't happen with a lot of people, so a special thanks to Chenlu and Sel for organising all the Magic Wheelchair and Solidworks stuff. So thank you to 3D Experience Platform. There's a thank you to Solidworks. So thank you to Rachel for introducing me into this entire world. Amazing. Special thank you to Magic Wheelchair for coming out and being there and introducing us to Akita and having this whole great big project that they've got, this big idea that just builds greatness. And a thank you to my teammates Luke, Karen, Jonny, Christian, Will for working together and making such a great build. And thank you to Brad for letting me hang out with you and film a Living with Chiefs episode with you. That was good fun. Yeah, all in all, it was a great success. If you're interested in signing up as a build team, check out Magic Wheelchair. There's a link down below. All the links of everything is below, to our charity page, to Magic Wheelchair, to Solidworks, to Dassault, and everybody's social networks. I now have some breakfast to eat. See you later.
What are you doing, Dad?